Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I speaking to Gourav Sharma?
Yep.
We got a parcel, sir.
What it says?
It says Asusindia.
Oh, hold on. I'm just coming. मम्मी आ गया.
ओ मेहनत.
No brand deals. So first thing first, in the box is a mouse and a selfie stick. Who uses a selfie stick? How futuristic is that? And a keychain. Oh, mouse seems good. Oh, a wired mouse? Okay. Seems okay. अबे खुल जा. Oh, how cool is that? First of all, who uses a selfie stick? And that too a wired one. Damn. You know what? I always wanted to review products. So let's do it in a proper way. Here we go. So the first thing first is a wired optical mouse. It's UT280. That's the model number. I don't know much specifications about this. Seems legit. And next up is a selfie stick. This selfie stick is really basic. You can find it anywhere. And some pamphlets and some magazines. Obviously promotion. So let's come to the main question. Lot of you might be curious to know which is the best thing among all these things. If you ask me, this pamphlet is the best thing for me because it has my name on it. Yeah, it has my name on it. That's make it special. Prizes are given same to everyone. It's you who make it different. That's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Bye.